Signal becomes the number one app after reaching 1.3 million downloads on Monday. I was talking about how well Telegram was doing with 25 million new users in a 72-hour period after the WhatsApp news started to break. New privacy policy, terms of service, whatever it was, people were upset. They were looking for other messaging apps. We talked about it here on the show. Tremendous amount of attention around this particular topic. They're hitting me up.
Yeah.
So Telegram was doing well. They're actually number 2 on the App Store and Google Play. Signal, number 1. The app garnered 1.3 million global downloads on the App Store Monday, according to the app data and analytics website Apptopia. We estimate that Signal has been installed 63.1 million times in its lifetime. Signal has been breaking its own daily download records since Saturday. And obviously we know what's been going on since Saturday has been all this hype around leaving WhatsApp is what people are talking about. Signal is encrypted messaging. It's actually founded by the former founder of WhatsApp. So maybe there's an extra little comfort there, but this is the new project. And here's another thing just about messaging apps in general. Users spend more time in messaging apps than they do on social media. I don't know if you knew that, Will. 67% more time.
Really?
That users, I don't. You know what I mean? Try to get a hold of me. But I guess regular people are they're messaging each other like crazy. Right? Now to show you how big of a jump this is, prior to the WhatsApp situation, Signal ranked number 750 in overall US downloads. That was on January 4th, okay? Right before this whole thing started happening. The number has jumped since until it got all the way up to number 1 in overall US downloads on Sunday. That's US. Right? So we wondered about the global distribution of WhatsApp users. We wondered if this was going to hit the US in the same fashion, and look at that, it has. And so not only is it number 1 global, it's number 1 in the US as well. Obviously, some of the stuff happening on Twitter, endorsements from Elon Musk, endorsements from Edward Snowden, they help spur that on. These downloads, people say, maybe not even leaving WhatsApp. Maybe people who were previously using iMessage or just SMS were sitting and saying, oh, you know what? What's this Signal thing everybody's talking about? Let me go check that out. All the guys are talking about it. So they're in the limelight right now. They're all booming. And WhatsApp, on the other hand, has been dipping. So it was number 27 and number 21 in overall US downloads on January 3rd and January 7th. And now it's all the way down to number 38 as of this Sunday. So WhatsApp goes down, Signal goes up, and the world keeps turning. And you all keep sending messages, and apparently you spend more time in messaging apps than on social media. Actually, let me know in the comments. Is that true? Do you do that? I don't think I do that. Certainly not if you include YouTube. If YouTube is social media, then messaging apps aren't even close.